Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Sam's Science and Maths. What? You can't see me? Oh, I forgot something. Yes friends, now you can see me. Now can you guess what did I forget? Yes, that's right. I forgot to on the lights. So you all know that light helps us to see the things. When light falls on an object and gets reflected back to our eyes, we can see the things. So this property of light is known as the reflection of light. In the same way, there are many other properties of light. Some of the light's properties are given here. The total internal reflection of light, diffraction of light, dispersion of light, scattering of light, etc. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the properties of light. It's dispersion of light. So before we get into the topic, I would like to ask you a question. So you all know that light helps us to see the things. But have you ever wondered what is the color of light? Most of you can say that the light is made up of only one single color, that is white. Many of you can also say that the light is made up of 7 colors. Those are the rainbow colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. But the answer is the light is made up of many different colors. There are infinite number of colors present in white light. So now you might all have been wondering, how is this possible? I'll give the answer for this question later in this video. For splitting the white light into its constituent colors, a medium was required. When white light passes through one medium to another, there are some variations in the speeds of different colors present in white light. When scientists passed a ray of white light into a glass prism, what did they saw? They saw that the light gets separated into its constituent colors. So let's perform the activity practically here. So here's a glass prism and here comes the ray of white light. So now as you can see, it's passing through the glass prism. And what do you see now? You see a band of colors. So this band of colors is known as the spectrum of light. So here's the answer for the question which I asked you in the beginning of the video. What is the color of light? So first let's bring the spectrum here. So here's the light spectrum. So now you observe between the orange and the yellow color. What do you see in between of them? You see another color, that is peach. In the same way, you can also see the dark green color present with green color. And hence we can say that there are infinite number of colors present in white light. So this phenomenon in which the white light gets separated into its constituent colors is known as the dispersion of light. The red travels in the maximum speed and the violet travels in the minimum speed after the dispersion of light. So here are the wave diagrams of different colors present in white light. So what do you observe in these wave diagrams? Yes, that's right. You can observe that there are variations in each consecutive peak in each wave diagram. So this distance between each consecutive peak is known as the wavelength. So now you can confirm that the red has the maximum wavelength and the violet has the minimum wavelength. And hence the red travels in the maximum speed and the violet travels in the minimum speed after the dispersion of light. And hence we can see a band of colors which is a spectrum. So now can you give some examples for dispersion of light? Yes, one of the examples for dispersion of light is the backside of a CD or a DVD. You can find a spectrum on it. In the same way, you can find a spectrum on a surface of a soap bubble. And hence it is also a common example for dispersion of light. Now can you give any examples for dispersion of light such that it is related to nature? Yes, one of the examples for dispersion of light is a rainbow. So now let's see how does a rainbow form. For the formation of a rainbow, we require two cases. 1. It should be sunny, and 2. It must be raining. So it's pretty rare, hence we find the rainbow only in rare cases. Now I think it's going to rain now, and it's also pretty sunny. So let's go outside. Oh, it has already begun to rain. And it's also pretty sunny, so I think the rainbow will form. Oh, look there. There's the rainbow. So now we all know that when does the rainbow form? But do you know what's actually happening inside the tiny rain droplets during the formation of a rainbow? So for this, let's grab one of the rain droplets here. So here's the rain droplet. So now let's go inside. So these rain droplets acts like tiny glass prisms, as we had seen before. So first let's pass a ray of white light into this tiny rain droplet. So as you can see, it's passing, and you can observe now the band of colors, that is the spectrum, has exited and is out now into the air in the form of a rainbow. So this same thing happens in the glass prism also, but there is a thing that happens in the rain droplet but does not happen in the glass prism. It's known as the total internal reflection of light. What you are seeing here is known as the total internal reflection of light. So the total internal reflection of light happens only in two conditions. 1. The incident angle should be greater than the critical angle, and 2. The ray of white light or the colors of light should be moving from the denser to rarer medium. Only in that case the total internal reflection of light occurs. So after the total internal reflection of light, the seven primary colors or the band of colors moves or exits the rain droplet through refraction of light, and hence we see a beautiful rainbow. So we see 2 refractions and 1 total internal reflection in the formation of a rainbow. So friends, now I hope that you understood how does a rainbow form and also the concept of the dispersion of light. So to test yourself, here are some questions for you. So now I am going to move away. So pause the video here and try to answer these questions. So friends, now I hope that you answered these questions and also understood the concept of the dispersion of light. So please post the answers for the questions in the comment sections below. I promise to attend all your comments promptly. So don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do hit the subscribe button to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.